In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eliminate duplicate entries in Zotero. Duplicates can creep in when you save the same paper from different sites, import a RS or bibtex file more than once, or sync across devices. Cleaning them up keeps your library tidy and makes citations more reliable, so let's walk through a clear, simple workflow. First, open Zotero. Give it a moment to fully load your collections and items so everything is up to date. If you use syncing, a quick check that it has finished is helpful before you start removing anything. Next, click on My Library in the left sidebar. This shows everything in your personal library, including items inside subcollections. Working from My Library ensures you see the full picture, which makes spotting duplicates easier. If your library is large, you can sort the center pane by title or creator to bring likely duplicates together, or use the search bar to find repeated titles. Now, choose the title you can clearly identify as a duplicate in the item list. Compare the details in the right-hand pane, title, authors, year, and publisher information to confirm it truly matches another entry. It's a good idea to glance at notes and attachments as well, because sometimes one copy has a PDF or annotations you want to keep. When you're sure, right-click the duplicate and select Delete. This removes it from the list without touching the version you're keeping. If you prefer a faster, more focused view, you can also click on duplicate items in the left sidebar. Zotero groups suspected duplicates here based on matching fields. This view helps you review sets of repeated items side by side. Open a group, examine the details, and decide which copy you want to keep. Again, look for PDFs or notes before removing anything. When you're ready to remove the unwanted copies, right-click the duplicate in that view and choose Move Items to Trash. The item goes to the trash at the bottom of the sidebar, so you have a safety net. If you change your mind, you can restore it from there. After you've reviewed everything and you're confident, you can empty the trash to permanently clear the duplicates. That's it. By reviewing items in My Library, using the duplicate items view when helpful, and moving confirmed duplicates to the trash, you'll keep your Zotero library lean, accurate, and ready for smooth citing and organizing.